Hi, to improve battery life on the Samsung Galaxy A34, as a first step, open Settings, and here just find this Device Care tab. And after that, select the battery and enable Power Saving mode. You can tap this tab and check how this feature works. So background network usage, syncing and location checking will be limited, and motion smoothness will be changed to standard, which is 60 Hz. But this will help to extend your battery life. After that, we can return to this Device Care tab, but for now select Memory, and after a few seconds, check your apps which ones in a background. You can just stop some of the background apps by removing the check mark from it. For example, we can remove WhatsApp Business, and here we can also select this Clean Now option. And after that, go in the storage section now, and if more than 70% of memory is used here, then I suggest you to delete some of the apps and also move photos or another videos files to the cloud account right here, and also check the trash section. And now after that, let's close the settings and open this Google Files. Here, as a first step, tap on the three lines and make sure that trash bin is empty. If not, then tap on the option to delete files, and also go in download, for example, and delete something from here, or in the audio and delete something from your audio folder. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.